What is going on, guys? In this video, we're going to be putting these 44s on the Cherokee. All right, boys, so the idea is very simple here. You gotta put these 44s on the Cherokee. And in order to do that, I bought myself a bunch of spacers. So we got the Jeep pattern to the Polaris lug pattern, as these are Polaris lug pattern, and a bunch of spacers, because we're gonna have to space it out for it to fit in there. So yeah, it's gonna be a fun little project. And hey, you don't even need to lift the Jeep. So just got the wheels off of the old Can-Am, and I gotta get ready to put it on. Alrighty, let me show you what I'm doing. So this is a 2-inch spacer for the Jeep. This is the one that changes from Jeep to Polaris, and then this is a Polaris spacer, because we're gonna need the width to fit these 44s. Here you go. Oh buddy, look at this. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9-inch spacers, boy. Oh buddy, here she is. I don't know how many spacers I have to use, but look, got some gap there. Some gap sort of there. Sheesh. Well, boys, the 44s fit. They might rub a little, but they sure do fit. I don't know about the front, because I'm not going to be able to turn it at all. Oh yeah, baby. I'm gonna show Jenny.
Oh my god.
What do you think?
What the hell?
You think it'll work?
I'm sorry, she hates the sun. Oh my god.
It works.
Yeah.
Look how many spacers there are. There's 11-inch spacers there.
Holy shit, how many spacers are there?
How many are there? There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You think it'll break?
Crap.
It's not gonna break.
It looks cool.
But imagine if I do it in the front. I'm not gonna be able to turn.
This one doesn't have as much clearance as the other side.
Yeah, because remember the other quarter panel's dented.
Oh.
This one's not.
You have to dent this one.
But look. But look how much taller it is in the back.
Holy crap.
It looks cool.
This is pretty cool.
Oh Lord. I don't even know if I should do the front. I don't know. It's not gonna turn. And
Who cares? Just go.
Hey, be quiet. Yeah, I don't know.
I'm sorry, it's the sun.
It looks cool, but I don't know. I think I'm gonna die if I go down the road.
Just go up and down the driveway.
No, I went down and it was fine. But we'll see. Okay, say bye. All right, guys. So here she is. The 44s did fit in the back. They have very minimal clearance. I had to add another spacer. Over here it looks like it's fine, but it's because it's quarter panel's dented on this side. Yeah, she rubs a little bit. Oh yeah, little rub. That ain't no problem. I don't even know if I should do the front because I'm not going to be able to turn at all. Or maybe I got to take out the fenders. Man, but this thing gives it so much clearance. Look at this thing. Jesus, that's so funny. This thing looks like a beast. Look at this thing. I'm going to stand back. Look at that stance, boy. She looks good. But that's it for now, brother. I am going to go ahead and... what was I saying? I'm gonna go ahead and just clean up. I don't know if I'm gonna do the front, but this thing looks sweet. I wonder how it does in the trails. I mean, I know right now it has no power at all, but if I do the front, then I could drive it on 4 low in the sand and the dirt, you know what I mean? It'll have way more power. But look at this thing. That is so funny. But all right, guys, let me know if I should do the front or not, or this is dumb. But make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know if you want to see more of this crazy stuff. So, see ya.